about themselves, their performance and their teams. So Bernie, I'm going to ask you to kick things off. I'm going to start with you. She's been the MVP, the most valuable female player last season. She was with you, Mumbai, the defending champions, and now she's signed up. One of the most expensive players ever at the auction was Bernie, and it's great. You've seen this league, Ultimate Table Tennis, grow over the years. You've seen it up close. How bigger do you see it? You were here from season 1 and now it's season 7. How different and how bigger do you think this league has become?
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here every year. Yes, I can say this league every year is growing and it's nicer and nicer. Of course, it's a nice feeling to be part of this league, and always I am very happy to come back. And yes, last season I won. It was something amazing, some feelings like I cannot describe in words. But yes, I am very happy to be here, and I am very happy to be part of this league always.
But over that time, I have to bring you all up to speed with Manav and Manush together are world rank number 3 currently in men's doubles. So I have to ask you this. Now you're playing with someone, and that's actually also a question for Bernie and Sofia later on. But how is it going up against the opponent on home soil? This is literally our local league, our national league. How does it feel to come back to UTT after a year, and how much have you seen the table tennis ecosystem growing over the last year?
So hello everyone. I am very thankful to be here. Yes, I am coming back to UTT after a gap of 1 year. And I'm very excited and looking forward to play for my team UT Prometheans. And yes, me and Manush, we have been doing very well in doubles. We are currently ranked 3, and facing him would be hard. But at the same time, like we have also played like 5 seasons before and also faced each other. So it won't be new, but it would be very exciting to see that we have not played each other from quite a long time. So it would be excited to see that who does well or like how we are doing it. But at the same time, yes, we both are doing really well. We both are growing very good as a players. So we have the Asian Games coming this year, and we are preparing well for it. So I hope that we both are ready from this league, like setting the momentum for the Asian Games, and hopefully we can bring a medal for the country there.
7, and you and Manush, so Diya and Manush are world ranked number 6 currently for mixed doubles. But Diya, you've picked up back-to-back tags as the most valuable Indian player at Ultimate Table Tennis. How much is that pressure season after season? Because every team that picks Diya thinks, oh, she's getting us every point. How much pressure is that?
Honestly speaking, last year when I was the most expensive, I really did not expect it. Also this year, with so many top players here and everyone playing at a very high level, I really did not expect it. But it's great to see so many teams fighting for me. It just helps me build my confidence that I'm on the right path, doing the right things. So more about the pressure, I think I look at it that way, that everybody wants me in their team. So I'm really very happy that Pune picked me up, and I was actually watching it online. We were at the World Championships. So just seeing the back and forth was really great. Definitely there always comes some pressure when everyone says you're the highest, like they did the most for you. But I think UTT is always a very fun and amazing tournament for me. Like I just try to enjoy the atmosphere and try to give my best. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do this season as well.
To butterfly Ultimate Table Tennis, from being teammates and doubles partners to being opponents now, and also vice versa. Some of your opponents on the international stage are now your teammates. Tell us about that transition. Like literally within a turnover of 48 hours, you have to make that transition.
Yes, definitely. I feel that this transition is something that I always look forward to, especially coming to UTT. It gives me a lot of confidence that I want to play on my home soil, and this time I'm very fortunate to be picked by Mumbai and also will be leading the team. So it's a special moment for me to be part of such an amazing franchisee. And yeah, the transition, it's sometimes it's tricky, but at the same time it's a lot of friendly banter between my partners and also the teammates from India. So I'm looking forward for an amazing season and hope that Mumbai again ends up as the defending champions.
Right, because 15 years and 8 months, I got that right? because a couple of months ago for the auction, 15 years and 6 months. So now she's not even 16. She's the youngest player to be picked, whether it was a draft or an auction, for any edition in the history of Ultimate Table Tennis. How are you feeling coming into them? I mean, all your seniors, you've seen them in the last 7 years of Ultimate Table Tennis. You were, what, 8 when UTT started? You were just 8. And now you are the youngest player. How does it feel coming in?
Yes, I feel really happy when I got selected in UTT, and I'm part of such a great team with a lot of top senior players, and last 2 days I've been practicing with them, so it's been a great honor for me, and yeah.
Well, thank you. Well, you've been here, you've trained with the team, you've been with the team, you've been here a few days. What are the targets for your team and how do you plan on achieving that?
Hello to everyone. Yeah, I've been here a couple of days now, and we have bonded with the team. And my targets for this season are just to give my best and to spend a great time with my teammates, and to be there for them if they need me, and I hope also vice versa. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to play. And I played last time 8 years ago, so it's been a lot of time since I've been here last time. But yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to it.
Thank you, Sofia.
Yeah, hello everyone first of all. And I will, like last year, we were very close to winning the title, but we couldn't convert it. But I'm happy that I'm with Kolkata this season, my home city. So I'll be trying to give my best and looking forward to cross the line this time.
You call it your home city, but actually the home advantage is going to be for Bernie and her team because it's Goa and we're having the whole league is happening in Goa. You think that home advantage will work in your team's favor? I mean, it's not going to be a hostile environment. You're playing for the home team.
Yes, it's a nice feeling. I play for one team that is the tournament. It will be not easy because they have, of course, more expectation from us. But how everyone knows, I like the pressure. Always means a lot of pressure. I like to demonstrate that who I am. I want to give all my best to try to bring the title how I bring the last year for you, Mumba. And yes, I want to give my best and try to be next to my team and be there for them when they need. And of course it will be not so easy because our young players, they have not so much experience, but me and Alvaro, I think we can build a team like to try to win the title.
Okay. So would you please introduce yourself and which publication you're from?
Yeah, very close to the Asian Games. A lot of expectations given what happened previously here. Do you think the UTT will serve as a good exposure to a sort of, because you're competing against foreign players as well? Do you think this will be adequate preparation for the Asian Games? All three can answer.
Go ahead. Yeah, start with it and then we pass.
Yeah, I think definitely. I always feel UTT is a great platform for us to showcase our skills and, like you said, play against the foreign players and also to be together with them in the team. Every season I think I learn a lot, and honestly I think UTT it's a lot of pressure playing in such kind of situation. When you're there at 6-6 and you need those 2 points at the end, I don't think we ever feel that kind of pressure. So I think playing here has really helped me develop myself, and yeah, it's a great preparation I think before the Asian Games.
I think the special part I feel about this year's UTT would be the TTR, because going into the bigger events we normally face this issue where we are lacking, especially the Indians I would say, with the facility of TTR, but when UTT brings in this feature, it's going to help all of us prepare better for the Asian Games. We will know exactly where the mistakes are happening, considering the serve, receive, smaller aspects of the game. So it's really professional approach I feel going towards the Asian Games. So we are hoping to get the best results for the country.
This is the third Asian Games which will happen after the UTT. So previously in the Asian Games we have won like 3 medals until now. So of course UTT is helping a lot when we are going for these bigger events, because it's a platform where we have team events first of all here, and there are so many quality players and coaches coming in, and we are playing together, we are forming a team, and it's not easy. Like the whole year we are playing as individuals, and when we have some sort of team events, it always helps us to play well and do better. So hopefully this year also this will be a platform where we can start to prepare well for the Asian Games, and yeah, we'll try our best and hopefully win some more medals.
On paper, Mumbai looks a better team, given the fact that Szocs just said, no, it's a young team with 2 senior players. So how do you see tomorrow's match? Do you think a team has a better chance tomorrow?
Us.
Yeah. Why?
No, I mean, Goa is of course home favorite team, but at the same time we must remember that Mumbai was the defending champion, so I want that the team will continue the last year's momentum going into tomorrow's first match. It would be a good lineup. I feel Goa is young, but at the same time we must know that they are playing the best league of the country, so they have some of the best players of the country as well, even though they are young. So yeah, it will be a good match, I feel, and looking forward to play against them.
It's opening day, you have home team advantage. You have to counter anything that Manush just said?
It will be a nice challenge tomorrow, of course. It is not so easy. You know that you play against your ex-team with who you were champion. But how everybody knows, I like to fight and win, so doesn't matter now in which team I was last year, so I want to bring the titles for Goa. It will be a hard match against you, Mumbai, but I believe in my team, and we will try to find some solutions for we can beat the champions.
The defending champions.
What can fans expect from this season that has not been there the previous editions?
So question.
So this season, we know there is a TTR system, so it will be fun to watch for the fans also. Like we have 3 TTR reviews in a whole time for each team. So I think this will be a new thing for all the fans, for all the Indian fans, to know about the TTR, and I think it will be fun, more fun this year. Yeah, last 2 years I am not playing WTT. I play in multiple European leagues and also in US. So yeah, I play in Italy and US MLTT.
This is also very important, going up the rankings. Why is there a conscious decision to skip?
No, it's my choice. Also playing WTT, I needed ranking. I didn't have last 2 years so much, but now I am 7th rank in India, so I'm looking forward to playing WTTs more this year.
And it's such a prestigious event. What kind of legacy or an impact do you think it will have in the table tennis circuit, the sport, promoting the sport in Goa? And because Goa is known for more prominently for football, so how do you see a legacy that will be created for promoting table tennis? And what kind of will be taken at the grassroots level for promoting table tennis in Goa?
It can change. Just table tennis in Goa is predominantly a football-oriented state.
UTT, like I said, it has been a great platform for all the Indian players to really get a lot of experience and exposure, and I think especially for me, like you said, when UTT started, I was not really there. I mean, I was always in the stands and watching, so it's a very, very exciting league, a very different format which we don't really have all around the year. And coming together with the foreign players, with Indian players, and this kind of a league gives us that atmosphere to play in. So, like you said, in Goa, it is football, very popular for football. But UTT is doing a lot for the grassroots levels, and like you can see, there are so many young players now in the teams, and I think it's just going to help make table tennis grow faster.
And the team that hopefully the future is very bright. Yes, sir, you had a question?
Hi, Manush. I think Diya also can answer. So, UTT, do you think what has been the contribution to Indian table tennis as such? Because this is a new concept last 7 years only, and at the table tennis we are not at a powerhouse at the world level. We have struggled at Asian Games also, just 3 medals if you see. In Olympics we are nowhere. But in the long run, how do you think this table tennis league has helped? It's still new, 7 years. But if we look at the overall table tennis scenario in India, like what has been your contribution and your experience?
So sir, as you mentioned that like in the Asian Games we have 3 medals, but earlier if you see before UTT we were like not having any medals. The historic medal we won in the 2018 Asian Games was the first one. So after UTT, like we are seeing many players who are there in top 100 at the moment. Even in juniors, like recently, like Divyanshi and all the Indian team, they did very well in the junior Asians. So after UTT has come in, many of the players have done well in the juniors. Also, they are doing well in the seniors. We have seen results at the Asian Games. We have seen results at the Commonwealth Games. Even at the Olympics, women team finished 5th. So that was very big for the sport. Like before this, the team events, we have never qualified in the team events earlier. So of course the process is there. It's slow, but yeah, of course we are getting good results. And if we do this continuously, I think you will see results in the next, let's say, 4 to 5 years. And even now, me and Manush, we are ranked 3 in the world. So hopefully we will also do well at the Asian Games in the upcoming Asian Games, and also Manush in the currently ranked 5 or 6 in mixed doubles. So of course the Indian table tennis is doing well, and we are on the right track. So this league system and everything, the support from the government, UTT, the federation, we are doing well, and hopefully we will do it even better in the future.
At the highest level because of the Olympics and everything. So what is your advice to the younger players in UTT?
They need to feel like they need to follow their dreams, because every day is a new challenge. You have to fight and practice a lot every day, and you have to know what you have, why you go to the hall, and when you are in the hall, you have to focus just on the practice. You cannot think of other things, because every minute is very important. It's very important to believe in yourself, and even if you one tournament is not going as well you wish, you have to focus more and don't give up. You have to fight always and try to give your best. Lot of more patience. I am a fighter. I never give up, and I really believe in my dreams. And yes, that's why I am where I am now, because I never give up, and I believe in the future and in my dreams.
So that's your advice to the youngsters as well, that don't give up. Even if you lose,
Yes, and they need
it just pushes
to
you.
practice every day, because sometimes the result is not coming by night. Maybe it takes some time, maybe 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, but one day your dreams will come true.
और गोमंतभूमी न्यूजपेपर माझा स्पेशली क्वेश्चन असेल दिया मॅडम. दिया, सिंगापूर स्मॅशमध्ये यशस्विनी घोरपडे बरोबर पेअर करून तुम्ही जेव्हा खेळला, ती एलिमिनेट झाला, पण तो एक अनुभव कसा असेल? आणि सेकंड गोष्ट म्हणजे आत्ता मिक्स पेअर असो त्यामध्ये फॉरेन प्लेअर बरोबर खेळण्याचा आणि इंडियन प्लेअर बरोबर खेळण्याचा तो अनुभव कसा आहे?
I'm just going to pairing recently in Singapore, so tell us about that. And he also said it's different when you pair up with an Indian player, and in UTT you could be paired up with a foreign player when you're playing the mixed doubles. So how different is it to get that synchrony and to get that chemistry with a complete foreign player? So tell us first about Yashash and you in Singapore.
So actually we played really well in the US Smash just now. Me and Yashaswini, we played the quarterfinals, and now we have reached world rank 11 in the women doubles. So that was a very big achievement for us. You know, we have been playing since a few years now, but we were really glad that it clicked at the right time. You know, going into the Asian Games preparation, and also, I mean, I think we're on the right track and doing the right thing. So. We're just going to keep going and try giving our best.
And playing with the foreign players.
So yeah, like I said, you know, UTT is completely different. Normally, if me and Manush are playing together, and now if I'm playing with somebody else and playing maybe against Manush, so of course we both know, you know, our strengths and weaknesses, but it's definitely going to be an amazing game when we're out there. I know what he wants me to play, and he knows the same. So I'm really looking forward to this, and hopefully it's going to be a lot of fun.
I request all of the team representatives for a quick photo op with the trophy. So we can have the trophy right here, and I'm going to ask them to come up in front.
Stay.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.